What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Nikki here, and in today's video I'm going to be going over the 5 stocks that I purchased and added to my long-term dividend portfolio. So you guys, let's get it.
Ooh, big bag. You not talking money, you can miss me with the chit chat. I'm not with the rah-rah or the
$700 I spent on stocks this month. I will say one of the stocks that I did add to my dividend portfolio was supposed to go into my Robinhood growth portfolio. Your girl made a mistake, but it's okay. We will just count it in the long term since that's where it ended up, and we'll just live with it. But you guys, looking back at my purchases this month, I'm very excited with what I went ahead and grabbed and at what cost I was able to grab them. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and get to the damn first stock. Holy hell, I didn't put makeup on. Okay, that's a lie. I put a little bit on, but I didn't do my full face today, and I just feel less than. So I'm gonna go ahead and only try to make this like 5 or 6 minutes so y'all don't have to stare at this mug for too long. AT&T, you guys, came in first. On January 4th, I went ahead, I bought 3 shares at an average price of about $29.18. Super happy. Anything under $30 on AT&T, I'm scooping up because yes, I still believe in AT&T. I did a video where I talked about that a little bit. I will go ahead, I will search it. Sometimes I can't find them, but I will search it for y'all. I'll link it down in the first comment below so you can check it out later. But AT&T, love you. Let's move on to the next one. Oh, Realty, you guys. I've been wanting to get this. It was just too expensive. It fell under that $60 mark. So I went ahead, I picked up one, but I didn't get filled until 60, basically 60-10, but that's okay. Not tripping. I like it around that number. Anything under 60 I really want, like I said, but you'll see I scooped up some more. So let's go ahead and get into that. Cause right here is where I went ahead and I scooped up another one of O Realty for $57.38 on January 12th. Then I just started feeling the market kind of shift and be a little bit unsure. It was trading sideways for a little bit. So I went ahead and I bought one of my favorite ETFs, and that is going to be SPYV. You guys, I went ahead, I bought one on January 12th for $35.40. And then AT&T just continued to fall lower and lower. So I went ahead and I grabbed 2 more shares on January 12th yet again at $28.57. Car Auction was next on the list on January 13th, and I actually did an entire video on this company, on this stock. I will definitely link that down in the first comment below so you can go ahead and check it out. Highly recommend looking into that one. This is the one that should have been in my Robinhood growth portfolio, but it ended up in my long term. They did pay a dividend. They stopped that dividend in like March or April. I think it was April of last year. So who knows, maybe they bring it back and it can stay in my portfolio long term with the dividend, and I'd be cool with that. But I will go ahead and link that video. Check it out when you want to. But I bought 15 shares for $19.75. And then the final purchase that I made was actually another video that I talked about. So I will go ahead and link that third one down in the first comment below so you can check it out. But you guys, that one was I was into it, okay? I was very into it. And then it started going up a little bit too high. I wanted to pull back. It pulled back, and I went ahead and I executed 1 share of Logitech. I went ahead, pulled the trigger, 1 share at $96.80. All right, guys, so my overall for the month, I ended up purchasing 5 more shares of AT&T, bringing my total holdings to 25 shares at an average cost of $31.44. Then I purchased a total of 2 shares of O Realty, bringing my entire holding to 6 shares at an average cost of $58.57. And you guys already know that is my favorite real estate investment trust, my favorite monthly paying dividend stock. And of course, you already guessed, I did a video so you could find it. Then my one purchase of SPYV went ahead and brought my total holdings to 6 shares at an average cost of $31.80. And then Car Auction was my new holding, so I didn't really add nor take away from that. So that was just the original 15 shares for the $19.75 average price point. And the same with Logitech, the very first addition to my portfolio. So it's just the 1 share that I've already mentioned. And quick question for you all. I always obviously be updating you on the dividend portfolio, but I do have that growth portfolio in Robinhood, and I've made another addition. If you want me to actually kind of really incorporate that and talk more about the growth stocks I'm looking at as well, let me know down below. I think I really want to do that. I also think I might make it into like a weekly kind of challenge update, whatever. I mean, I don't know, you can let me know. But also please let me know down below what you bought this month, what your favorite addition was, some great deals that you took advantage of this month. We did see a lot of red this month. Okay, not like a lot, but enough to be excited about buying into some things. So always let me know down below what you did, because I love to hear it. And if you would please be so kind to tap thumbs up button button for your girl. It really helps this channel out, helps the algorithm. Y'all already know the drill. And if you are not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing. Hit that red button underneath the video below. Join the crew, join the journey. I would love to have you. We would love to have you. I do post 2 videos a week on this channel about money, stocks, investing, finance, side hustles, just making money and having a good ass time. And you guys already know, if you've made it this far, you are the real MVP. Come here, you know I love you. And like always, you guys, enjoy the journey, whatever your journey is. Always remember to set your hearts on fire, and I will see y'all, I know it, in my next video. Bye, guys.